Disclaimer. This video is not a call to physical violence, hatred, or retaliation against any person, nation, or group. We, the children of Yashar'el, do not war in the flesh. Our battle is not against flesh and blood, but against principalities, powers, the rulers of darkness in this world, and spiritual wickedness in high places. Ephesians 6 verse 12. Everything shared in this video is rooted in the word of Yahuah and carried out by the power of his Ruach HaKodesh, set-apart spirit. We stand in truth, righteousness, and faith, calling on Yahuah, our Elohim, our deliverer, and our justifier. All vengeance belongs to him, and we trust him to act in righteousness and justice on behalf of his people. We expose darkness with the light of his word, not by carnal means. We overcome by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of our testimony. We stand in the Spirit, walk in the Spirit, and war in the Spirit. He who has ears to hear, let him hear. Shalom.
Ephesians 6:12. Open our eyes, O Yahuah, that we may see the schemes not of men alone, but of the serpent who was more subtle than all the beasts of the field. Genesis 3:1. We come against every form of psychological warfare designed to confuse, wear down, and isolate us. Let the spirit of confusion be cast down. Let the Ruach of truth rise up in our minds and anchor us in clarity. We resist every form of systemic harassment through courts, policy, monitoring, false accusations, and stalking. Let Yahuah plead our cause and fight against those who fight against us. Psalm 35:1. We break agreement with every energy-draining distraction, emotional bait, arguments, slander, and false responsibilities. We declare our time and focus are set apart unto Yahuah. No more will our strength be scattered. We bind legal manipulation and economic sabotage. Let every plot to bankrupt, evict, disenfranchise, or burden us be overturned by the hand of Yahuah. Yahuah, you promised in Isaiah 40:31 that those who wait on you shall renew their strength, mount up with wings as eagles, run and not be weary, walk and not faint. Let every weary man of Yashar'el receive divine renewal now in body, soul, and spirit. Release the fire of the Ruach to burn up every assignment sent to subtly drain our households. Let your word return to our lips, and let spiritual focus replace spiritual fatigue. We declare that the burdens of ministry, leadership, and survival will no longer rest on one man's shoulders. We embrace the order of Yashar'el, decentralized, interdependent, strong, and unity. No family shall bear alone what was meant to be carried by a nation. We receive your Sabbath rest as a command and a gift. We guard it fiercely, and we refuse to let Babylon steal our recovery time. We will rest, recover, and rise. Grant us discernment to document patterns, recognize schemes, and avoid false flags. Let our journals, testimonies, and timelines become weapons in your courtroom. Give us wisdom to guard our energy as spiritual capital, engaging only in assignments you ordain. Yahuah, restore the strength of your sons. Let the weak say, I am strong. Joel 3:10. Let the hunted become the hidden. Let the weary become the warriors. Let every subtle snare be uncovered, and every plan against us be reversed. We declare that no more will our strength be silently drained. We stand, we rise, we endure. In the name of Yahshua HaMashiach, so be it. Amen.